Hey guys, welcome back to Battle Cats video, and today we're gonna try getting as far as possible in chapter 3 because I really want Bahamut Cat. And okay, so Heavenly Tower's back, these guys are back like Pokemon, and then all this other stuff. And is Gamuto, it's almost done. Recall Gamuto, yes, I'm sorry. But yes, look at how many workers we have. Just watch when they all just start running. Look at that, we have an army of them. Have an army of those guys. And then we have a few of these guys. So yeah. Just go to the Bearcats. See all these guys. I think the best one is this one. This guy's guy. Also, I really like the colors on this one. Yeah, so you got all of them. Haven't got a new cat. That sucks. But when you go to here, so we're in Norway, so we're gonna go right now. Look at probably let's go to chapter 2. And we're gonna see where's Norway at. Let's see how far we are. Oh, so yeah, we're getting there. I don't know if I told you guys, I did a battle yesterday and I fought an elephant. And here on this channel, we don't like elephants. They take too long to kill. They have this insane range. Let's go on ahead. Alright, we're back. We're back for vengeance. Let's just save up for Kasajizo. I'm just gonna place Kasajizo and then just keep upgrading so you can place down, not him, Ibisa. This is like one of the best, cheapest, and one of the best Ubers. It's like in the top 10. In my opinion, yeah, top 10. You would probably be in there and you would be in there. But that's just my opinion. But Casa Jizzle, another video, she is like top 10. And how many times do we need to upgrade? I think maybe one more time. Okay, boom. We're only at level 4. Look at how much money we have. So on the moon, I think I'm gonna put all my Ubers on there. Just throw them all on there. Because we're fighting Bun Bun. Alright, alright, same thing. Ooh. Oh, that lamb's getting bodied. Yeah, it's right, lamb. Anybody like you? I don't know if it's a lamb or goat. There goes the lamb. Or goat, whatever that is. Alright, this one is gonna come out. Oh. Should I place you? Yeah, I'm placing you. Look at that beast. Just gold. Look at that thing. Beautiful. Perfect. Get some of this guy, Kasajizo. You got a hip hop cat out here? Yup, he's up here. Look at that thing. Beautiful. Superior income tax. Holy! Look at that XP. Wow. All that XP. Just wasted. No. Okay, thank you. Let's get more. I also have a tricycle cap, but I don't even use it. Yeah, I need to put one upgrade on here. What else do we have on here? We got all these boys. In the beginning, I maxed out a lot of them, but now I'm just trying to. These are the other two Ubers I have. She's just complete garbage. I haven't tried her. He's also good, but it was probably like the weakest out of all. Super rare. Cat, Nerd Cat, Apple Cat, Surfer Cat. Backhoe Cat only attacks, I think it only attacks certain enemies, like only metal enemies. So don't use that one if it's during a battle that does not have metal enemies. Let's just go ahead and use this. Because the moon, I just want to try beating the moon with you guys. Yeah, get the croc. It's the crocodile. What do I want to place? I think I want to place you. Casa Jizzle, I choose you. Also Samurai Cat, like, it's the same price as Zumo Cat, but it's better than Zumo Cat. Even though Zumo Cat, I used it for a long time. But then I had to start changing it up. In chapter 2, the boss is red. So, I decided to put on Ninja Frog Cat, basically. Ninja Cat. And it's good against red enemies, so it really helps a lot when you just spam them when they were attacking that one dude. I forgot his name. I think I showed him in the video. It's that red guy on the throne. Oh god. I was just talking about him. Look at that thing. Stupid elephant. Okay, what do we want? What do we want? Okay, I think we're gonna place the motorcycle man. You guys can hold off the elephant for now. These are our only hopes. Now out. I'm gonna be able to place. I know these guys come fast. I'm going to go to this place Hypersol. No. It's like the father and the son. Did they not die? How are you still playing? Okay, that's it. Is he being beat up by these little men? These little men are beating him. That's the thing. I don't want elephants. Really don't. Oh, critical hit. Attack before the elephant hits. Oh my god, Hibissa, come on. Oh. Oh, I can say one time. That's okay. We have this thing. It still attacks fast. Excuse me? You get to hit? Yes. Get that up and on. That's on this. I'm just gonna place this. Don't make me some backup. This thing is better to be behind than in front. Boom. I thought he just like yes! While he just setting people on fire. It's hilarious. Yes, like Daniel Bryan. Yes! See, this thing really one-shots an elephant. Or maybe even the teacher bear, that's great. Oh, we got the little piggy out. We set him on fire. Thank you for that XP. Really, I decided to max out like all of this stuff. I'm just trying to max out the power, but it's so much. Greenland. Let's look at our missions. Defeat Muth. We had to kill the Muth. Let me show you who I was talking about in the enemy guide. No, none of you guys. Yeah, we need to kill this thing. This is a bear. And that's Michael Jordan. Where's that red guy? This guy. He was one. I think you can even get him, but he's like a baby or something. The hippo's easy to kill. This thing's insane to kill. Then you have dodge. And then I also fought the duck. The duck's kind of chill. And this thing ended. Oh, okay. And before I wasn't able to buy it, before I just said. You're coming to invade. We're going to take, what do you have? We're going to take your Santa Claus statue. Placing cats down to attack a pig. This man just got shot in the face and he didn't die. And look at the bunny just drop kicking full passages. Yeah, the bunny's pretty easy to kill. Oh gosh. Yeah, you know what's weird? The other day we were driving around and I think it was a coyote. It was like it was walking on someone's lawn, and it literally looked like a wolf just walking on someone's lawn. I thought it was a coyote, or like a dog. That thing looked like a wolf. That or someone's husky dog, at least I don't know. But it was just. I'm like, what? I normally don't have wolves around this part. Coyotes, yes, but wolves, no. Okay, what's up with this man? I don't like that. Stop killing our good man. Oh, he's dead now. And I'm not just a person. All these bunnies are just getting. Oh god, there's another one. Oh, this chainsaw one is good against aliens. It's not even good against red, and it's great. Last so long. In the beginning when that was my first. No, I had the Lincoln cat, Bolshevik cat, and then it was that one. We got 2 passages on. We need this chainsaw cat. Haha, bunnies. We killed the bunnies. Oh. Let me know in the comments below if anyone got this game. Also, guys, please use the comments. Like, leave them on so you guys can chat. And nobody ever does. Only sometimes. I know, cool, you said constant. Comment down below. Some other people. Oh, look at this army. Oh my god. It's a great army. God, I think this is more of a price than upgrading and Uber. Oh God. We up in Canada. We gonna steal the suit. Canada. Overpowered. So, and the phone just vibrated. What's new? Twitter. In Canada, I don't know. Come on, help the chainsaw. And just like tap them. I'm gonna just insert a blade in your head real fast, and you're like, oh, okay. Up. We might have to use God for this battle. If I remember, Canada was hard. I don't know, I'm just getting laser down. I'm gonna save up. We have passages, no, we don't have them. Let's get him out. Just in case that moth comes out. Oh, Canada. What's going on? I remember Canada used to be so hard. Now it's like, oh god, there's a gorilla. Oh, they don't get that chainsaw off. I'm trying to kill it. Wow! We got a chainsaw go. I think it's chainsaw going. Get the monkeys out of here. Yeah, I don't know what happened, guys. I'm the beginning part. I think now it just looks easier because things are so high level. New York City, here we come. We're gonna invade you. I feel like this video is only, it's not even that long, and we've done so many battles already. You know, I want to listen to some God music real fast. Great music. That should have been Avengers Endgame. Like when they kill Thanos. That's the music it plays. I might make a my singing monsters video, but I don't know. Or does New York have them off? Oh, I just got a better from doing that. I wanna give it the wink one out. Yes, we're gonna go. Yeah. Look at Cousin Jizo. He's so fat and he's got little stubby legs and running. We got the shit. Oh. Oh, no, let me go ahead and do something. Imagine Costume Jizzle what we're doing. Oh my god. Like they were just, the two of them combined into one cat. That would have been great. That cat would have been overpowered. That chainsaw hits. You guys are really fun. Oh, we got the gorilla. Shoot him down. Alright, there we go. That's the one. Oh, we got someone to we pulled you out too late. I'm sorry. Okay. I know I should be saving my XP, but I just want to save my shit. Okay. Soon. Yeah, I'll have to get that out of my troubles. I can start upgrading cats. This will probably be the last battle. Alright, here we go. Let's do it. This one I'm just gonna place best cats, I think. We're gonna save. Okay, that's the wizard. There we go. This thing is faster than Jizzle. I love how like Casa Jizzle was new effect just to got him back. I think I googled Casa Jizzle one time, and they say it's based off of real things, real dolls. Oh, never mind. It ain't the moth. It's the kangaroo. Don't do hip hop cat like that. Here's my 2 times. Yeah, I forgot how annoying this kangaroo is. One of the most hated enemies in this world. The kangaroo. It brings out boxing gloves, and it becomes hatred. You know, I'm surprised. I've never really liked cats, but this game changed my mind. Like, imagine you just have, like, someone's like, hey, I got a cat, and you're like, cool, can I see a picture of it? And then they just, like, friggin' show you, like, the moving cat or something. This is my cat. He summons a spirit punching fish. Like, that's... Like, this is how cats could actually be, like, even hip-hop cat. That would be scary, though. Cool. Like, here you go, NASA. If you're watching this video, put Rover Cat on Mars. Put him on Mars. Inferior flight recorder. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Bum, bum. Bum, bum. Oh, gosh. Jamaica. What does Jamaica have? Oh, they got the elephant, but the elephant I'm not worried about. Yeah, but I am gonna start placing my best guys. Just in case things go south. You know, you're a pretty good hip-hop cat. I can say. Rover cat, for being a rare, it rarely dies. But, like, a lot of them die quickly, but Rover cat's kind of tanky. And I never knew about this game until a kid at school told me about it. And I said, well, it looks like a pretty cool game, I'll try it out. And ever since that day, shout out to Yoris for telling me about this game and telling me. He never told me about this. I really been missing out on a great game. And my singing monsters, like, remember yesterday it had a bunch of ads popping up. So I think I'm gonna try purchasing something for real cheap, maybe the starter pack, because it gives you a bunch of stuff for like, it's like $7 a starter pack. And I think I might get it just to remove those ads. Steel beat, yeah, what? I make this so easy. I feel like the moon is gonna trick us. Okay, good. That's maxed out. I don't have to worry about any of that anymore. Now, you're maxed out. I'm only gonna max out. Let's see. Ninja Frog Cat. I'm probably just gonna give people 20 for now. Colombia. This will be the last battle. And after that, I am done with it. I'm done. Go Ninja Cat, go Ninja Cat. In the beginning, really, you can do a lot of the battles by just placing Macho Cat. Like, that's why I'm gonna just have, like, it's one Macho Cat, but it's just, like, stacked with a bunch of Macho Cats. Go, 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 go. Look, I'm looking at another stack of Ninja Cats. I think Colombia has them all. I get scared when it's like the bases are far apart because of that. I think that's when moss comes out. But I don't know, lately there's been no moss. Yeah, and I'm scared because I have a feeling they're gonna, in the moon, it's gonna be Bun Bun and like a bunch of other strong guys. He's almost like Bahamut Cat, but he's like this weird flying. He's like a ripped dude, like a monster with little wings, and he just starts going kangaroo. Like the kangaroo and the moth combined, basically. I mean, like, really? What are these levels anymore? Are these even considered levels? Brazil. You know, hold on, I'm gonna see how far we are. I feel like we're getting too close. Where's Brazil? Oh yeah, we're getting really close. Really close. Alright guys, so next video of Battle Cats, I think, I don't even care how long it is. We're gonna try beating the moon. I'm gonna try playing those stages, and once I get to the moon, I'm gonna make a video and see if we can beat it. But for now, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe, and see you later.